welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS Deals video. This is a brand new ad. The one we had last week was just 1 week ad, and for this one we still have some deals going on, although both ads kind of look similar. Make sure you're scanning the products in the store to see what coupons or CRT you have that is attaching. That way you can save more. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also check the description box for a printout Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video. And let's go find some deals. Let's start with some Crest deal. The 2.4 Crest toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 and it's part of buy 3 get $5 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $11.97. Use the 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon and you pay $6.97, get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents each. My next deal is on the 6-pack Dove bar soap. They are on sale for $10.99 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98. Use the 5 off 2 Dove digital coupon and you pay $16.98, get 3 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. Axe body wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $6.29 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. These two will total $9.44. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.44, get 3 back, making them $1.44 or 72 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, facial or lip care. Pick up 2 Nivea lotion priced at $10.79 each. Both will total $21.58. Use the $2 Nivea digital coupon and you pay $19.58, get 10 back, making them $9.58 or $4.79 each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on Neutrogena acne care. Pick up 1 24-count Neutrogena stubborn acne patch priced at $10.99. Use the $3.50 off digital coupon and you will pay $7.49. Get 5 back, making it just $2.49. If you need Kellogg's cereal, they are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. And I checked the app, we don't have any coupon, so pick up one and pay just $1.99. The Rice Krispie treats are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2. It's priced at $4.69, so you're paying $4.59. And that will make each pack just $2.35. If you like Pringles, they are on sale for $1.99. Pick up one and pay $1.99. The next deal I have is on Gillette Shave Foam. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 and they also priced at $4.19. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.10. These two will total $6.29. Pay the $6.29 and you get 2 back, making them $4.29 or $2.15 each. My next deal is on the 12.6 ounce L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioners. They are on sale for $5.29 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.58, get 2 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next hair care deal I have is on whole blade shampoo or conditioners. They are on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back and they are priced at $5.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98, get 4 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 any Dove hair care, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.98, get 4 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $9 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. Pay $9 and get 3 back, making them $6 or $3 each. OGX Hair Care is on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off and part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $8.69 and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $4.35. These two will total $13.04. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.04, get 4 back, making them $5.04 or $2.52 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Clairol hair color. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each. The two will total $16.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon, but it expires on Sunday, so this is a Sunday only deal. After the 6 off 2 comes off, you pay $10.98, get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is on the bagged Pampers diapers. They are on sale for 2 for $22 and they are part of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $19, get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. This week, select Ham & Hammer products are on sale for buy 1 get $2 back. Pick up 3 of the small detergents priced at $6.99, and because it's buy 1 get 2 free, you're just paying for 1. Pay $6.99 and that will make each one just $2.33. If you prefer the 15-ounce scent booster, it's priced at $6.59. Pick up 3. Pay $6.59 and that will make each one just $2.20. My next deal is spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 2 Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $9.99 each. These two will total $19.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box. Use the 2 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $17.98. Get 5 back, making them $12.98 or $6.49 each. We still have the spend 25 get $5 back again this week, and I only have one option this time. Pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and 2 80-count bounce dryer sheets on sale for $5.49 each. These 3 items will total $25.97. Use a $3 off Tide digital coupon and 2 $1 off bounce coupon. One from Coupon 24 app and one from CVS app. The 3 coupons will take off $5 and you pay $20.97, get 5 back, making them $15.97 or $5.32 each. If you like CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen, check your store and see if you have them on clearance. It's originally priced at $16.99. It's on 75% off clearance for just $4.24. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.